Hey guys, it's Charity. If you just saw my last video, it was me showing you how I basically got this. I guess I'll call it template for my adult large mask. This is how I'm coming back to show you how I'm actually going to use it. So come with the new. I'm going to be using 13 by 19 paper. That's what I'm importing it to. Going back to my mask, just going to drag it here, and it's in. So then I'm going to rotate it. You can either put 90 degrees here, but I'm just going to go to edit and rotate clockwise. So do one that way. Perfect. And then go ahead and put in the other one. Bring it down, and then either one of them, I'm going to flip horizontally because you need one for both sides. Okay. So you could basically then let this be your template for both of them. You can remove this, then go to File, Save as PDF or PNG, whatever. But this is how I'm personally going to do mine. I'm going to insert my image. I'm hoping I can find it. It's been a little while. It should be in my downloads. Up here it is, Bane Mask. Boom. So, sizing wise, I think I'm going to, yeah. So what I should really do probably is, okay. This is going to be a trial and error. So I'm going to, I really only need to be working with half, but I'm just going to bring down my opacity so that I can still see it, but knowing that I'm only going to be using half. This is my first time doing like a continuation piece, so wish your girl luck. I'm using free transform because it allows me to stretch, basically keep the dimensions. I have my thing in the background just because it will help with what am I saying? It will help with actually seeing the positions of everything. I'm gonna try to use Photoshop to my advantage with these little extra. So right now I'm holding down Shift and adjusting it just so it'll stretch as I want it to. So now coming into here, I don't know what it's called actually, but this allows you to move and curve things to your liking. So for example, I'll bring Baby Bang down, stretch this out like that. Kind of do it like that, just a little more, because again, this is probably going to be seam allowance. Okay, and so that's looking like one side. I'm starting here, and then I'm going to design that way. So we kind of bringing it out here. Still remember to keep it down. Okay, so yeah, that should be cool. Try to bring this in. Meh. Alright, maybe start over. Okay, that's fine. Coming back here, going to give it a little bit. Bring it down. Come from right here, maybe. Here. Really. Mm, this is actually going to be a little more difficult than anticipated. Not that I thought it was easy, but just the curvature of this particular, I don't know why it's not letting me do that. So I'm gonna click like that's good. So let's see. Probably, you know, I probably would just again go to my Bang, edit, yeah, free transform again. So the main concern is this part. Let's bring it in some more. Okay, then going back here. I wonder why it's not letting me do that. Okay, I'm gonna accept it, and then I'm gonna try again, because maybe I have to do it piece by piece. Like, maybe you just can't overdo. I'm still trying not to let me. I really didn't think this part out, but this may actually be the part that comes around the ears. Hey, this would have been so much easier if this were like a Hulk face or something like that. It's just a mask. So I'm going to actually bring my opacity back in. What is it? This on top. Then with Bane, do. See. That's how it looks. Let me think. Hmm. Release and clip again. So I'm gonna actually import a regular one and just see how it looks. I'm gonna do this top one with regular. Just see. Let's see how it looks if I just straight up clip. I'm gonna hit shift to then make it do that. Shift, brought it down. I'm just gonna stretch it. So this is probably what I need. I'm gonna leave it. And then I'm going to, because I like that. I like the idea of that. Then I'm going to, this is gonna have to be what it's gonna be. Because I'm going to, okay. Sorry, I'm rambling. I'm gonna hit edit again, free transform. Now I'm gonna come out with this little free jiggy. Let's try to, let's try not to let me do this. Bring it over and up like that. I don't know what's so wrong with these angles. What's the big idea? Edit, free transform again. I'm gonna try to get, and I wonder why I'm not being able to. Like, bring this here. Okay, I don't see what's the big deal. Bring that down. I don't know if that helped. Let me go back to this other thing. Oh, it is. Is this? Hmm. This to me is basically it. I prefer the top version of it. See if maybe I can get this to come over some more and kind of like square out into this space. Not. Don't worry about it. How about duplicate it? Bang mask. I like. Okay, so boom, you're hidden. One of you. You're hidden. This one. So let's go to File, Free Transform. And anyways, guys, I guess typically other ones would be easier than doing this because they're just. So look at that, squaring that out. Y'all, I am. This is it. I'm thinking this is it. And really, this part. Oh, yeah, it's not really gonna show. So I think this is my Bang mask. And so I'm gonna change this to Bang that I love. So yeah, I'm digging that. So with this here, got these done. I'm gonna duplicate that. Okay. Bring that copy down. Then edit. So flip, horizontal flip. So this right here can actually go. Oh no, no, oh no. Alright, so not the delete part. So you can go and you can go. Nope, not like that. See, it grabs two of them, so definitely just go straight from the bottom. Then bring this down. Bump, bump, bump. So it's on your 13 paper. It's gonna be so tricky. Then, so I probably will be able to fit other sizes in here, but as far as, let me just go ahead and, because then from this, yeah, I would straight cut it out on your outer page, cut it out, and then press it. So not even giving that much, the space that's on here on your paper that you're going to sub for. It'll already be in the template form. You'll simply just cut it out or even lay them over each other and sew them down together. Which that's probably a thing. Not probably a thing, but you could definitely do that. Say for example, I edited my canvas. Go to the image, canvas size, and switch that from what it was to the other version. So it was 13 by 9 down 19. Now do the opposite. So I can just bring this here, move it here, bottom, this at the top. Keep snatching it. I'll just show you. Then you really wouldn't have to cut either. Why are all the veins linked? So thinking about how it's gonna look when it's done, it's gonna be pretty cool. Pretty cool. So you would just fold this over right here, press it like this, fold this over, and don't even cut this, but straight up. Then start with your seams, because you'll be able to see through it on the back side. I love finding new little tips and tricks. So I'll just go to File, Print, change the layout. So boom, there it is. Thanks for watching, guys, and best of luck. And like I said, you can probably add different sizes right here in this empty space. But I'm out.